All right, guys, here is the house update video. The guy just left about 3 whole seconds ago. So he's gonna have to come back and sand it and paint it, but he did touch up the gaps and all that stuff. So it looks pretty good. This door, I think this was damaged down here at the corner. It's kind of coming out there. I'm not sure if that's fixable, but other than that, that wasn't his fault, but, or I don't know if he tried to fix it. He didn't obviously try to fix that, but anyways, he touched up all the little nail holes, so he'll have to come back and sand that off. But actually turned out pretty good. He, I don't know what he did, but he put some stuff in there on the crack on the bottom on both sides, so he'll have to sand that off. But if you remember the giant gap that was here, right there, so that looks really good now. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out so far. He's obviously got to come back, like I said, sand it and paint it. So he did have to we moved the washer out of the way so he could get to some of this stuff down there, but it turned out pretty good. So there is still some bubbling here that he'll try to sand off when he comes back. I don't know if that was when that guy was switching the door around. If he was prying it out, it bubbled all the paint or whatnot, or the wood. So hopefully that's fixable. And the only other thing is the door stopper hole right there. He'll get that when he comes back, he said. But so he's done for the day. So have to schedule another day for him to come back and sand this and paint it, but not bad so far. So I'm pretty happy with it so far. Better than what it was. That's for sure. Couldn't get much worse. So that's what it looks like right now. So now I can do some laundry, but I think that's really all I got for you guys for a quick update today. Oh, and also the screw hole up here turned out pretty good so far. So yeah, all the cracks and stuff look pretty good. So pretty sweet. Pretty excited about that. Looking back to almost normal. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. As always, stay tuned. See you guys back in the next video. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.